we're wrapping up my album. I wanted to do a song dedicated to my father, and so I decided to do this song, Oh Danny Boy. Does anyone know the song? So if you know the song, please don't sing. Danny boy, the pipes are calling from glen to glen and down the mountainside. The sun is gone and all the roses are dying. 'Tis you must go and I must bide. And I'll be in sunshine or in shadow. Oh Danny boy, I love you so. And if you come and all the roses are dying, and I am dead, as dead and well, baby. And if you come and find the place where I am lying, and kneel and say, and I'll be there for me, and I shall feel those subject of me, and all my grief will rich and sweet to thee. For you will come and tell me that you love me, and I shall rest in peace until you come. Go, friend. Songs in the meadow, where the valleys hush and bright and slow, and I'll be in sunshine or in shadow. Oh Danny boy, I love you so. Oh Danny boy, I love you so. Oh Danny boy.